everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon clothing haul. I got a few more dresses, still looking for some dresses to add to my wardrobe. So I got a few to share. So we're going to start with the one I am wearing. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. This is the Ruffle Boho baby doll t-shirt dress. I do like it. It is super cute. It's not the kind of fabric that I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a t-shirt material, but it is a 96% polyester. It kind of feels like more like a blouse material. It's got the tiered ruffles. There is quite a few solid prints. There is flower prints as well. And it got cute little ruffle sleeves. It is a little on the shorter side if you don't like that. I did get a size medium. It does cover a tummy if you have a tummy. It is cute, very summery. It does have a little button in the back to close. It is cute, I do like it. It is very flowy. I'm sure if you wore it with some heels that you could dress it up. Okay, so for the next dress, this is the split V-neck polka dot ruffle sleeve dress. This one, it's cute. I have a few mixed emotions with it. So it doesn't, it does look like the picture, but then it doesn't. So it's got double layered, so nothing is see-through. Very pretty pattern. The sides of the dress do go longer, so then the back is a little longer than the front. So you got your long sleeves. They don't go all the way down to your wrists. I guess if you have shorter arms they would. They got some ruffles all around. See, but this side of it kind of pokes out, like the way it's sewn, or I'm not sure, but it kind of does this little pokey thing. So it's got a little tie around. You can either tie in the front or the back. Then it's got this elastic around what I thought was the waist, but it goes higher than your waist. So in the picture, it kind of looks like it's more tucked in blousey, but when you lift your arms up, then the elastic rides up. So then it's almost under your boobs, and then you have to pull it down because the elastic doesn't feel good around there. So I did get a size medium. It is a cute dress. Other than the fact that it goes up when you lift your arms up, and then you've got this little bouncy thing right here. So then you got to pull it back down. But if you don't mind that, it is very flowy. I love the ruffles. I am obsessed with ruffles. I love them. I don't quite think this dress is for me. It's super cute, but I think it would be much cuter on somebody else. Well, beach dress, spaghetti strap, polka dot. I chose the pink polka dot one. They have a ton of other colors. I believe it also had solid as well, and I think some floral. But it's got buttons down the front. Got an A-line, got the little slit in the front. The straps are adjustable. So it's a little, I got a size medium. It's a little big around the chest area. But I'm sure if I tighten the straps, that would be fine. It is a little flowy. It is the Tshirt material. Super comfortable. Soft. So the buttons do unbutton, so you can unbutton it, for a little bit of a sexier look. I think it's a super cute dress. You can wear it with heels or some cute little sandals. I think it is super cute. It goes down just past my knee. I'm 5'6", so I think it is a good length. It does hug your waist. I do like this one very much. And I'm not that much of a polka dot person, but this is super cute. Yeah, so this next dress is super pretty. I love it. It is a little bit see-through. So I do have dark undies on, and you can see them a little bit. So you for sure want to wear something skin color. It is super long. I have heels on. If I didn't, it would be rubbing the floor. Very pretty floral pattern. This is the only color it comes in. The white floral. It's got a elastic waist. Very flowy top. Off the shoulder. Although if you wanted to wear it on your shoulders, you could do that too. Very flowy. It is double lined. Oh, there's the inside lining. Super pretty. Great for a summer wedding. The sleeves are just super flowy, very feminine. Absolutely love it. It is so pretty. I did get a size medium. So back. I think it is just a very beautiful dress. The pretty ruffles. Very sweet dress. So this next dress is the vintage look flowy long dress, it says. I got it in this very pretty medium green. It's got elastic around the sleeves. I'm sure you could wear it off the shoulders if you would like. It does need to be ironed, because I think if you ironed it, the ruffle would stay down. It is double lined. It is very pretty green color, like a pastel green. It's got the smocked bodice on it. It's got the low tie in the middle. It is little tight around the waist. I did get a medium tight from the smocking. So if you don't really like that, then you probably won't be very comfortable in this dress. It is might be better as a spring dress and not a summer dress, because the fabric is a little bit heavy. So you would probably get hot in it. At least I think I would. Okay, so the last dress is this ruffled sun dress in this beautiful wine color. It does go down to my feet. It's got the tie waist with elastic in it. You can tie it in the front or the back. Halter neck, it does tie. It does go pretty low in the back, so you probably don't want to wear a bra with it. It is got the double line in it. The inside liner is shorter. Very got a little bit of a bouncy waist. I did get a size medium. It does have this kind of raised bumpy fabric pattern. Kind of like on the other dress. Very pretty. Does show off your shoulders. Very pretty. Casual, but you could dress it up. Okay, so that is my haul from Amazon. I will be sending a couple of the dresses back. I really love the off the shoulder white floral one. It's super pretty. If you're interested in any of the dresses, I'll leave the links down below for you. Thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing if you like Amazon hauls. I also do some recipe videos and just things that I'm interested in. Thanks for watching and have a great day.